In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a game to your Google Sites. We'll be using a simple example today to demonstrate just how easy it can be to integrate fun, interactive elements into your own website. So, if you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to your Google Sites. This is where all the magic is going to happen. If you're not already familiar with Google Sites, it's Google's very own web page creation tool. It's incredibly user-friendly and perfect for anyone looking to create a simple, sleek website without diving into complex coding. Just log into your Google account and head over to Google Sites where you'll be able to see your site dashboard. Now, to add a game to your site, the process is quite straightforward. For our example, we'll be using a game called Cookie Clicker. It's a fun, simple game that's popular and easy to embed. Start by opening a new tab in your browser and search for Cookie Clicker or any game you'd like to add to your site. Once you've found the game, click on its link to open it in a new tab. This is where you'll need to be a bit attentive. Look at the URL at the top of your browser window and go ahead and copy that. This URL is going to be essential for the next step, so make sure you've got it copied. Having copied the URL, go back to your Google Sites tab. Here you'll see an option labeled Embed in your Google Sites menu. Click on Embed and you'll be prompted with a window where you can paste that URL. All you need to do is paste the game URL you copied earlier. Once you've done that, click the Insert button, and just like that, the game will appear on your Google site. You've successfully embedded an interactive game that visitors can enjoy directly through your website. It's that simple. Adding games like this can really enhance user engagement and provide a fun, unique aspect to your site, encouraging visitors to stick around longer and explore more of what you have to offer. Congratulations on creating a more dynamic and engaging website experience. If you ever want to try adding different types of media or links, remember that the Embed feature is a great tool to keep handy. It allows for a lot of flexibility and creativity in how you design your site. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!